Wow, you look, wow, it's very danger. My God, hurricane. See, it's all the trees. The mess up. Oh my God, look this one. It's very dangerous. Thanks God, you know my car is nearby here, but nothing happened to my car because I put some blazing to my car, you know. That's why my car is very nice. Wow. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, look at this tree. Oh, it's open, you see? It's already open and it's ready to go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, everything's fall down. Yeah, this storm is very, very bad, man. I hope this car is okay. I hope this car is okay. My goodness, look at here. Wow, this hurricane is crazy. My goodness, look at this. Whoa. Oh yeah, right here too. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think his car is okay. Yeah, looks like okay. I hope this is okay. Sorry for this guy. I feel very sorry for this guy. Oh my God. Goodness. Big storms in New York, in Queens. Oh, it's very dangerous. Oh my God, look here. My goodness. Oh, very, very dangerous, you know. Very, very messed up. The big trees broken. I don't know where it comes from. Oh yeah, this comes from over here. Okay? Oh my goodness, very dangerous.
Oh my goodness. Oh my face got yangsha. Oh my God. Blue color, the black color. My goodness.
Yeah, these traffic lights are broken. It's not working.